What is going on, Lady Soul? I'm so excited for this tutorial. It is a move that is so versatile. It is so foundational for shaping, and it's so much fun. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. The most important thing, if you haven't already learned the Charleston, please go check that out and learn that, and then come back to this one. I want you to feel challenged with this because the speed is really what gets a lot of people. We're just gonna break it down really slowly and then just move it up with the speed. So first, let me show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna play with it. First thing is first, you're going to open centered evenly across the floor, like a little bit out of hip width apart, but it's really your preference, whatever you want to do. I do feel like I have more space and more control when I'm doing a wider stance. So from here, our weight is going to be at the balls of our feet. We're going to be mostly in this position with a little bit more of a bend in the knee. This just gives you more control. It also takes back some of the weight of the gravity that's going to be falling onto the ground. So you want to have just more control, more lighter landing, and with this you're going to have way more fun creating different patterns outside of this move. So just like when you come up with that knee before you go on one in your running man, the same thing happens with this scissors crisscross movement. It starts open on and one. Right? The position comes from outside. We're gonna bring it into the center, into this Charleston position. It's really what we call like a fifth position in dance. In forward on the balls of your feet, and the toes are both pointed out, knees are outwards as well. Open, close on one. Open, switch on two. Open, close, open, close. Let's try it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. It really helps to think about it as if it's just a pit stop on the outside and you're hopping to push yourself back out. So you're gonna play with the momentum of landing. So you're here, here, here. You're bouncing out and in, out and in. Let's try that with a double. So instead of going in and switching, we're gonna do a double. So, and one, and two, right? And all we're doing here is we're meeting in the center, and we're opening as if we're coming into that beginning position, except we're staying in that same plane of motion. So we're staying in that same line as we were, instead of coming directly side to side with the feet. So open, close, double it up. Yeah, let's try it. Open, close, double up. And then we open evenly, switch the feet, close, double it up. Open, close, double up. Open, close, double up. Open. Let's try it with a slow but reasonable tempo on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. And 1, and 2, 3, 4. And 1, and 2, 3, 4. It really helps to have your knees bent, keep your core engaged, and you want to have your center of gravity right here, where you open, close, ha. Right? You're only pit stopping on that outside with the toes in and the feet and the heels out to come back. It's just a reverse. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, and you can start crossing it. So you know what I mean? It's almost like you're creating a little diamond. And diamond, open to close it up. Open that diamond, close, open, close. Let's try traveling. So we're gonna go on and close, but you're really pushing a little bit, like an inch over to the right. Open to cover more ground, close, and you're moving again. So every time you're open, whether you're open or closed, you're still covering more ground. Ha, 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 ha. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Let's try traveling and doing those doubles. So let's travel to the right 4 times, travel back on 8, and then on the next 8 count, we're gonna double it up with the right, double it up with the left, and double it up with the right again, then left again, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and double, 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 double. Nice. Just remember to keep your knees bent and stay on the balls of your feet. That will give you so much control to play with the way that you crisscross. If you want to double it up, if you want to travel, let your body do what it wants to do and just relax the rest of it. You want to just flow with it and be creative. Have so much fun with this one, and I'll see you in the next one.